Me and Matt. Spin my It was like the only game that we decided, like we told people and everyone liked it. No one.
There we go.
Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, he's gonna be a water guy. Yeah, I'm feeding him and I hear and I was like, oh no. But I kept it all contained. I was like, right on.
Oh, this video is gonna get so many views on YouTube because of Valerie's boobs. Tits or hits?
Babies are hits.
I don't know. What do you say? He helps me make two babies.
Busted there.
Oh yeah. Are you gonna
Crawl?
crawl on the mat? That'd be cool. Where are you going?
Slide on this.
Every time people laugh at him, he's like, what?
Yeah, he's like, what's going on over there?
You're going.
Hey, come to mommy. Yeah, come to mommy. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Come to mommy.
Now water we can slide.
Oh.
Put your mouth in there.
So I'm listening to it.
Night. What do you hear?
What's he doing?
He's just staring. Like he's just
He's like, oh, this is comfy. I'm just gonna sit here.
And this is what the adults do. His
Yeah.
eyes are wide open.
I guess I look like a beached whale whenever I'm on that thing. He's just acting like me.
Oh, okay, that's it. I'm rested.
Ready.
Here we go.